Hey, amazing learners! Welcome back to another exciting lessons. I am Mrs. Adiola, and today we are learning about informal letter writing. Do you know that you can write letters to your classmates, your friends, your parents, your cousins, or even your close relative? Yes. Those letters are called informal letter because they are written in a simple and friendly way. So in these lessons, we will learn what an informal letter is, the features of an informal letter, and how to write an informal letter correctly and confidently. So I want you to get ready and let's begin. So let's talk about an informal letter. An informal letter is a friendly letter written to someone we know very well, such as our parents, friends, brothers, sisters, cousins, or classmates. We write informal letters to share news, invite someone to an event, to thank someone, to apologize, or to tell stories or feelings. So informal letters use simple and friendly language because we are writing to people very close to us. So who are the people we can write letters to? We can write informal letters to father, our mother, brothers, sisters, our cousins, our grandparents, and so on. We can write informal letters to people that are very close to us. So let's talk about part of an informal letters. So the part of an informal letters are we have number one, which is the writer's address. So this is the address of the person that is writing the letter, and it is written at the top right corner of the letter. It is written at the top right corner of the letter. So the address of this letter is number 12 Palm Street, Ibadan, full stop. So that is the writer's address. Then we have dates. The date shows when the letter was written. So if I'm writing the letter today, I'll write today's date, which is 29th of May 2026. So the date this letter was written was on the 25th of May 2026. Then we also have salutation and greetings. This is the greeting used to welcome persons you're writing to. For example, we have dear Tunde, dear John, dear mom. In this greeting, you can use the nickname you call those people you're writing because you're writing to people that are very close to you. So you can use their nickname, dear Bestie, hello, dear Fanny, and so on. Then we have the body of the letter. This is the main part of the letter where you write your message, your feelings, or the information. And in this body of the letter, it usually have introduction, main message, and conclusion. So let's look at the body of of the letter we have here. How are you? I hope you're fine. I am fine too. I am happy to write to you. School is going well and I am making new friends. That is the body of this letter. Then the last one is the closing. This is a polite way of ending your letter. So it's either you say your friend or your bestie. It depends. Maybe the person also has a nickname they call you. You can say your Fanny, your loving friend, your sincerely, and so on. So, and at the end of the letter, you write your name, which is the writer's name. This is the name of the person writing the letter, and it is usually written below the closing. So these are the parts of informal letter. So when you're writing letter, you need to follow these formats when you're writing an informal letter. So let's look at this letter that was written to somebody. So we have the writer's address, 15th Unity Street, Ikeja, Lagos, full stop. Then make sure you punctuate your address properly. Then the date, which is on the 29th of May 2026, full stop. Then we have the greetings or the salutation. So I'm writing to John, dear John. Then you move to the body of your letter. How are you and your family? I hope you are all fine. I'm writing to invite you to my birthday party. The party will take place on Saturday, 5th of June 2026 at my house by 2 p.m. There will be music, games, dancing, and plenty of food and drinks. I will be very happy if you come to celebrate with me. Please greet your parents for me. I hope to see you soon. Your loving David. Yours lovely, David. Or you can say your loving friend, David. You can say that your bestie, David. So that is how to write an informal letter. All right, amazing learners. We've come to the end of today's lessons on informal letter writing. Today, we've learned the meaning of an informal letter, the part of an informal letter, and how to write friendly letters to family and friends. Remember, an informal letter is written in a simple and friendly way to people we already know. I hope you enjoyed this lesson because I did as well. And I hope you're ready to write your own informal letter confidently. Don't forget to practice at home. Like this video, share, and subscribe for more exciting lessons. Bye for now and keep shining and learning every day. I am Mrs. Adiola. Bye.